Chubby drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit.
Welcome all to my channel. To get AMOYE NEYA back at it again with another video, and I'm in Orlando right now. I was supposed to video when I was driving, but I was sleeping. You're just tired. I'm going to be doing a massage and facial today, so I'm bringing you guys with me, and that's probably the only thing I do today, but I wanted to get a video done so you guys can see that. So let's get it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Let's get it.
Usually I don't do this often.
Yeah, I'm gonna be taking off my clothes now, and then she's gonna come back and start. I'm probably not gonna get a lot of good footage, to be honest, because there's no way to actually carry my tripod, but whatever. Massage, and I'm waiting to get my facial done. Your girl is all rolled out to the back. And I'm in the bathroom, as you guys can see. It's so cute in here, like the cute in the bathroom. On the toilet. But yeah, I didn't really do a proper intro. So I'm going to be going to a hotel this weekend, so I'm probably gonna post this as part 1 of the vlog, and then I'm going to be posting part 2. So this is basically the start of part 1. I'm so excited. I'm in Orlando. The place we're going to is in Orlando, but I have to go back home in Daytona before I come back, and well, I'm gonna check into the hotel after I leave here, but I do have to go back to Daytona because I have an outfit that's coming and I cannot make it wait. So I'm gonna go back to the house and then come back in the other night in the later. But I'm going to go to the hotel. Bust my lip. I'm going to go to the hotel and check in first. But yeah, it's a little mini vacation. It's not serious, you know. The girls are trying to enjoy life, and I'm taking y'all with me. This is basically my intro, so yeah, let's get it. I'm gonna get my facial. I did not really get any recording of my massage, so I'm probably not gonna put that in there. So yeah, let's go get this facial because my skin is not doing its best right now, I ain't gonna lie. So let's go get this facial.
So you're doing like a vlog?
Yeah, basically, yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna get this skin going. Just let me know if you feel it on your face.
I do, yeah.
Okay. All over?
All over.
Perfect. Okay.
It's been a minute since I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder.
So do you have any kids? You have kids yet?
No.
No? You're like, heck no. That was a big
Hell
no.
no, yeah.
It's been a minute since I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it.
Yeah, sure. Okay, cool. So I don't know if you can see it, but those little yellow things is what I got. Cool.
It's been a minute since I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Happy? This is the bathroom. That's me. It's the bathroom. Why is the light not on? This is the room, and they have another bathroom area here, which I think is cute. It's the room. I hate these furnitures. Bam! 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 Body yaddy yaddy. Body yaddy. And then the view. Morning, guys. Today's Saturday. It's the first morning, and I just woke up. I'm looking kind of stink. I look like I stink, honestly. But I was eating breakfast right now. It's already in the room, so I'm just gonna eat. I'm gonna get up right now, even though I do not want to. Yo, I love my yet. What kind of shot is this? Y'all realize, oh my god, I really just wake. I ain't lying to you guys. I look good waking up though. I'm gonna tell the truth. I look like a crab too. So I'm getting up. See, my get up. I'm going to be eating. I need to put this here. Put this here. It was brought to us. I'm gonna eat right now. Don't bill me. I taste so much cupcakes. So I don't know what we're doing today, but I'll keep you guys posted. I will keep you guys posted. So I'll see you when I finish eat, shower, and get ready. And see what the road says. I'm heading out now. This is the fit. I'm gonna show you guys probably in a mirror, but you know what I'm saying. This is the fit. My edges aren't done because the edge control is in the house. In the car. So I'm gonna do it when I get in there. My head is a mess. But the fit. It's the fit. It's the fit for me. It's the fit for me. It's the fit for me. And we're out. Pretty little thing, don't play with it. Nice, don't play with it. Michael Kors, don't play with it. Let's go. We're going down. And we're down. I'm ready.
Shelby Drive. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, hey, look who I'm around, man. If
that helicopter ride was like mad nice, like it was really really good. The view was amazing. I did not expect the view to be that good. Like it was bomb. I did not even know that these kind of places exist. Like I'm living my life out here. We out here living life. I'm going to get something to eat right now. I'm starving. Hello. Guys, I never just drink this fish bowl and there's like this shit at the bottom. So fancy. So strong. Good morning, my neighbors. Good morning, guys. Today's Sunday and we're leaving this bitch right now. My hair's a mess. We went to this breakfast place, but I had an outfit for my breakfast. I can't wear it because it's really cold. It's like 43 degrees outside. 43. So I have to dress cozy. I'm really upset because I had my outfit all cute and shit, but it's whatever. But yeah, I just done show up, put on my clothes. I'm going to fix my edges and leave out to that breakfast area. Let's get it. I don't think I get enough good footage for this, but it's whatever. I love this sweater, by the way. It's so cute. It's so cozy. see you guys at the breakfast.
From the dishes, be a gonna lift up. Why not sweet like syrup? We gon' murder them bumbo clad.
And it's musical. Guys, that's the place that we were going to go to. Another Broken Egg Cafe. They look so pretty.
But I don't know what the wait time is. But we're gonna see like how long the wait is. If not, we're just gonna pick up, just order to go, because I do have work soon and I can't be bothered waiting forever. But in there look really nice. I want to show you guys in there, but it's whatever. I'm here. Guys, I'm looking so pretty this morning, even though my face is saying breakout, 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 lots and lots of breakout. I don't want to get copyright with my Sikana, so yeah. Guys, I'm home and this is the breakfast. Chicken tenders with waffles, and I think this is what Bennett's biscuit. I don't know what it is, but yeah. And this is the end of my vlog. As you guys can see, I'm home. My belly ended up hurting me, so I did not vlog the journey coming back home. I didn't even vlog the breakfast because I don't eat as it, and it's currently like almost 2 o'clock because my belly fucked me up. But this is the end of my vlog, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications. Follow me on Instagram, AMOYE NEYA. If you want to know where anything is from, just tell me in the comments and I will put the description down. Love you guys. Bye.
Stranger, it's been a minute since we